This is my forbidden rice salad with tenderstem, blistered greens with a white miso dressing. This is the queen of salads. It contains so many of my favourite ingredients. There's the once forbidden black Chinese rice that's nutty and chewy all at once, which is now available in all of our supermarkets. And then there are these magnificent greens, of which tenderstem is the hero, and some mange tout alongside. And I've just blistered them on a really high heat to intensify the flavours but keep them vibrant and fresh at the same time. And then there are lots of other delicious vegetables like these radishes, edamame beans, avocado, and it's all brought together with a sweet gingery miso dressing. You can serve this dish for lunch or for dinner. It's beautiful on a big platter, and as a bonus it's vegan and dairy free and gluten free, so perfect for any friends who've got tricky dietary requirements.